All right, guys, look at this. Look at this, 614. The last video I posted, remember we said the profit was at 389. Now look at this, after today's trade, 614. Look at the history. This account started on the 15th of May. Look at the date, 15th of May. Just in 1 week. Look at what we racked up in 1 week. Pay attention, in all these trades, the only loss we took was 99 cents. Everything is on profit. Everything is on profit. I still have trades going on. Look at this. I still haven't closed these ones. Final balance, if I close this trade, to be $1,918. That's my equity. My balance at this moment is 1,864. My people, this is confidence trading.